Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Creative Edge, one of the subsidiaries of Top Ranker. My name is Rajendra Bhatia and I am going to talk you about the material that you would like to carry in your USEED or SEED examination that is going to happen on 19th January 2025. This time, the instructions are very clear. Lot of material that you might have carried in your NID examination are not required here. So what is required? Let us go one by one. Friends, one transparent drawing board. You can buy one of A3 size and that's good enough. Needless to tell you about the admit card duly printed along with one of the photo IDs. I will prefer to suggest you photo ID of government agency like the PAN card, your Aadhaar card, or you can have one of your school or college duly signed ID card, duly signed by your principal. Next, the material, transparent pen, ballpoint pen, but I am of suggestion always bring a pen of 10 or to the minimum of 0.7 size. This works better. You know how? It writes faster and it covers a lot of area very quickly. So, a transparent ballpoint pen. Coming next, you will have sketching questions, but none of the colored pencils are suggested. All that you are required is to carry graphite pencil. Now, one might have been thinking of carrying one or two pencil. No friends, if you want to really save time, and as you know, time saved is time earned. Similarly, here I would suggest that you keep two each of 2B, 6B and one each of 8B and 10B pencil. Why I am recommending you these many pencil is one, that you will not be required to sharpen up the pencil any time you require to use it, much of a time you want to use it. Secondly, you are not allowed to carry micro tip pen or sketch pens. So how would you outline your sketch? Because after all, the sketch finally goes as a scanned copy to your examiner. So what do? Outline it with either 8B or 10B. And always remember, these are not erasable marks. The marks left out with 8B and 10B are absolutely like non-erasable. So this is the set of pencil I recommend. Coming on to the sharpener. Despite having good number of pencil where you may not be required to sharpen up the pencil, who knows, you break them. So you at least have one open sharpener with you, that too of long size. Right? Sharpener of small size should not be taken. With pencil, I forgot telling you one more thing, and that was a graphite open pencil, a stick of graphite. Now when you are required to really shade the things up, that too very fast, here it is, a graphite pencil stick. About the erasers, like I said earlier also, keep them jacket free. A naked non-dust eraser, another non-dust eraser duly cut into sharpened corners. Now this is for erasing out nook and corner mistakes. Apart from this, I recommend kneadable eraser. Kneadable eraser without the jacket. You can at the most have a little plastic jacket, but you can see what hassle it carries when you need to really take it out. So better carry absolutely naked eraser, duly rolled up. There are two uses of this. One, going into nook and corner and erasing out the things. And secondly, you can reduce the strength, the tonal strength of your pencil marks with the help of kneadable eraser. And friends, a transparent pouch to carry all of them. Do not take too many or too big a pouch, just this much, which can accommodate your pencil and graphite, sharpener, kneadable eraser and routine eraser. That's it. Like we have seen it earlier, examination, lot many things were still allowed. But in USEED and SEED, no scissor, no geometrical instrument. Remember that. No crayons or any color, nor even the pencil colors. Not required. That means you are going to have a question that is to be solved only with graphite pencil. Yes, some of you are used to carry the clutch pencil. Although I do recommend not the use of clutch pencil for your examination, but if still somebody is used to use it, you may carry clutch pencils. Remember, none of the crayons, and remember, none of the sketch pens, nor even a black sketch pen. These are not to be carried. So you go very crisp, very sure of your material, and here you go with my best wishes for a very good examination, both my candidates of USEED and SEED. All the best to all of you. Bye.